Hello, dear students. First of all, I want to convey my thanks to all of you for your best wishes on Teachers' Day yesterday. Actually, yesterday I was very busy in the classes as well as some personal work, so I was unable to record this particular message. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, what I want to tell you that we are running through a pandemic phase. Corona pandemic is here, and it is very crucial phase of your life. So it's up to you that this particular 1 year, instead of wasting, try to make best utilization of this. Try to put your best effort on your preparation. Obviously physical classes, normal classes are not running, as well as you are missing some of the social gathering, etc., some of the social activities. But remember one thing: as a student, as a candidate of GATE or ESC, your first target is to prepare very well. So now you are having an opportunity also, that you can devote your whole of the time to your preparation. Moreover, you can best utilize the facility of the online classes. As I have told you earlier in earlier messages also, since last year, Engineer Zone having tie-up with Unacademy to provide online classes. I am also taking the classes for almost all the subjects of electrical and electronics. So I want to say to old students of Engineer Zone also, that if you are feeling that there was some lacuna, there was some weakness in the subject you have studied, or uh, from Engineer Zone, if we were unable to deliver best in a particular subject, so you can tell frankly that this was the problem, this is the problem. Obviously we are here to make up that problem. Nowadays, during online classes, I am also taking many free sessions. Those students who are having plus subscription, those who have paid fees on Unacademy, apart from that, the free subscribers, those who have not taken any subscription, they can also avail the facility of special classes as well as YouTube sessions. In special classes as well as in YouTube sessions, basically I am dealing with the questions, with the problems, as well as with that particular topic of the theory on which we receive requests from the students. You are having our contact number, so you can put your request. You can tell that this particular subject or this particular topic from the subject, you need more classes or you need more numericals. Moreover, if you are having doubts in the problem solving, some of the questions you are having personal doubt, you can send me through WhatsApp, and surely we will try to cover all the doubts in the special classes. Moreover, as you know that in GATE 21 there is some change in the pattern. Basically introduction of multiple select questions, MSQs. Based upon this, we have launched a test series on Unacademy platform, in which subject-wise tests are taken. Subject-wise tests are scheduled on each Friday on weekly basis. Control system and network has been done. It's been done, and we receive very good response from the students. Thousands of students have appeared. Simultaneously, some of the students uh, have told us regarding some of the error left in the question. So I want to assure you, in further question paper we will try to minimize the error. So next Friday, digital electronic test schedule, and I want to tell you that all the test papers are designed by me, so I can take the special classes for these test paper discussion. I have framed new questions, as well as my emphasis more and more on the GATE pattern, difficult questions of the GATE, MSQs, how to practice MSQs, what type of multiple select question are asked, as well as on NATs. So try to make best utilization of that. Once again, I want to tell you that do not think about the current situation or economic situation, etc. what will happen about the jobs. A lot of students are putting a question on this, that is that jobs are decreasing day by day. We will we be having any further opportunity? So obviously, as an aware citizen, as well as aware students, you should keep a track on that, but don't be tensive. Whatever you can do, you can do preparation at your best. Try to put your effort on that. Obviously, nobody, neither you nor I, nobody can control the destiny, etc. But obviously, we can control our efforts. So try to put your best efforts in your preparation, and my best wishes, my blessings are always with you. Moreover, if we at Engineer Zone can be helpful to you in any sense, we are ready to that. We will try our best to provide you best from us. So thanks to all of you. Thanks for watching.